We got our lovely desk set up with some of our fun drawings from recent days. We got the Riddler, or Penguin. Why the Riddler? Why would I say that's the Riddler? Hello, friends. We're so glad you're here. We're going to have a good time today. We are going to be drawing some creatures from a random generator that I found on the internet. Should be good, should be random, should be fun. We are going to be generating some random creatures today. I got a randomizer. I looked up a bunch, tried to figure out which one was the best one for me. And I decided on this one. If you are interested in doing your own, it's actually a species generator, but it gave the information in a way that I liked. And so yeah, we're going to be rolling on this lovely machine. You're welcome to do the same beast as I am if you want to draw along, or you can work on your own. We always love to see the work that people are doing. But for now, we are going to generate a creature here and see what we get. Trig plant. Appearance. A tiny, unique, toric aquatic creature with an elongated head, 2 sky blue serpentine eyes, elf ears, no visible nose, and a pointed snout. It has a very short neck, 2 short muscular arms, and has a wide chest with a concave stomach, a wasp waist, and a long, stocky lower body. Long and stocky, does that even work? It has weak forelegs and delicate back legs, and a delicate tail. Trig plant's whole body is covered in a rubbery skin, except for its tail, which is covered in delicate scales. It is a dull yellow on one half and deep blue pastel green on the other. The 2 areas are separated by a thin, dark gray line. Meanwhile, a stripe down the back is tan with beige diamonds. My goodness. They only live about 6 years, and they're only 8 inches tall. Oh my goodness. They have 347 young every 3 months. Oh God. That is terrifying. Plentiful indeed. I'm not entirely sure how to draw this, but it's got an elongated head with no visible nose, a pointed snout. So maybe we should start with some head shape here. And there it is. The trig plant. I'm concerned for it. Like a scuttlebug that like runs over the water, something. I should be concerned for it. Yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna survive long. Should we try generating another one? Maybe it won't be quite so difficult to put together. I found that like a hard one. I don't know if that's an accurate statement. I feel like we did what we could with it. It may not be perfect, but it definitely is. This video is brought to you by The Complete History of Goblins, which is something I made. It's a fun short book being released, free on my website, artbysutherland.com. Pages are coming out weekly, and I think it's a lot of fun. It was a passion project of mine, and I really enjoyed making it, and I'm trying to share it with as many people as possible. If you like what I'm doing here on YouTube, you'll probably enjoy it. Also, give some thought to supporting the channel through my Patreon. I just launched it this month with the 2023 Art by Sutherland coloring book, made up of images from all the videos and streams of this year. It is a PDF download and will soon be a set of digital files for use in your art program of choice. That's the big feature, but I also have an exclusive Discord, polls for members on what to draw, a big monthly community image that you can help design, and there will be more added in the future. But for now, check it out. Check out the Patreon, link down in the description below. And yeah, thank you for being here and supporting the content. It makes a big difference in my life. I just want to share some joy and have some fun. If you want to do that, join me by subscribing, by checking out the Patreon, and of course, reading The Complete History of Goblins. All right, let's see if we can generate another one here and see if we can get something kinder. Let's just check here. Well, let's just generate and see what we got. The Shire Nerd. A small, familiar aquatic creature. Okay, we keep getting toric. We might have to like go with some ideas here. Eagle's head, horse ears, and a camel-like mouth. Flamingo neck, two short orangutan arms at the end of long-fingered hands. Has a broad torso. This is much more interesting. Concave stomach, thick waist, and a goat's lower body. It has human forelegs, slender back legs, and a fish tail. The cucurbitur's head, neck, and legs are covered in tough scales, while the rest of its body is covered in delicate scales. Dark gray in one half, purple mottled brown in the other. Two areas separated by a thin chocolate brown line. Meanwhile, its lower body is deep pink, with light green spirals. Oof, 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 oof. This is a monstrosity, if I've ever heard of one. So it has a flamingo's neck, right? We're just gonna place stuff on this body for a second, but then it goes into the body of a goat. There it is, the Shire Kukonerd. What have we done? It is a crime. A crime against nature with its human feet and its long fingers. It's basically Centaur if fish and camel is gross. Hope you enjoyed watching that get made. Let's take a look at our two creatures we generated today. The Shire Kukonerd and whatever this thing was. I don't remember what it was called now. Like two buddies went to hang out with each other. They both live under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Hey, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a great time. We drew some randomly generated creatures, and I don't know if I'm proud of them, but they exist now. So we did that. Make sure you hang out, check out some other videos. We got lots of things going on here. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, bye.